Check out this new PC shortcut that you've never heard of before, and the last one will blow your mind. First, if you press Windows Alt R, it will start recording your screen without any software. And also to stop recording, press them again. And to find the recorded videos, press Windows G on your keyboard. Another crazy shortcut: if you're working on your PC and someone gets into your room, just press Windows and you will hide all the tabs and go to your desktop. And when you release your hands, it will return back automatically. Third, if you press Windows Shift S and select any area in your screen, you will take a screenshot of it. Finally, if you want to lock your PC quickly, all you have to do is press Windows L and your computer will lock. If you learned something from this video, do well to share this video with your friends, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this. Also, comment if you have any questions you want to ask. This is Loaded Tech. See you next time.